I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we are going to be doing a stationery office supply pen and pencil kind of haul, but from YesStyle. You guys know that I love YesStyle, and I feel like I have been shopping on there for years now, and that's where I get like all of my K-Beauty and J-Beauty products, but they do have like a whole section as well, which I think is actually on their website like listed under a home goods category or something, but they do have like office supply, sort of like planner stuff. The very first thing that I have is this old-fashioned looking popcorn box, except for it's full of popcorn themed pencils. I don't know why. I thought they were gonna be like scented, but the actual erasers looked like little bits of popped popcorn. And then like the actual, I guess this isn't called the barrel of a pencil, but like the actual pencil part looks like the popcorn containers. And they're just so cute. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give these to my dad because he loves popcorn. It reminds me of the sci-fi diner at Disney World, and my dad loves that kind of like retro sci-fi movie theater kind of stuff. So I think he would get a kick out of the popcorn pencils. And I just don't write in pencil that much. Dogman does, but I don't. Up next, how about an adorable case for all of those pencils? This guy looks so cute and so silly. He is a koala, and like, look at his little legs. Oh my God, the legs are like kind of rubbery. Now that I'm seeing this design, it kind of looks like something that I recently saw on IKEA's website, where they let like kids submit drawings and then they turn them into like stuffed animals or pillow cushion type things. So it kind of looks like that, because doesn't this just like have like a whimsical childlike feel to it? So it is a rather small pencil case, and I have this special pen that we will look at next, but I don't know what kind of pen or pencil would fit into here. I'm trying one of these like friction pens now as well, and like maybe, no, it kind of fits. So, oh, that was almost a very bad life choice. I do not know what these are called. I always call them ghosts. Karopi, you know, the Sanrio character, he always has these little like ghost things around him as well. And I think there's some kind of like good luck charm, but I'm not quite sure. This is a pen. Oh my gosh, look at that, like super fine tip. This pen quality is like surprising. It's almost like a gel ink, but like a super, super, super fine tip. Oh, very, very smudgy. Up next is something I'm just gonna like flash to you guys, but I don't want you to see it too much because these are fake. What are they called? Dual liners, fine liners, or something like that. Anyway, I'm building a special real versus fake video for this channel where I think I'm gonna try and do like mostly like real versus fake stationery items. I thought that that would be a lot of fun. It's gonna drive me crazy that I cannot think of the name. Those are like some of the most popular pens. Basically, one side is like a pen, one side is like an identically colored highlighter, so you can like really color coordinate your notes. Up next, we have this really cute pad paper. It looks like a little plane ticket, which I thought was so cute. I don't know why I thought this was so cute, because Lord knows that I have basically like plane phobia. I don't like to fly anywhere. Oh, and there's actually a couple of different colors. So there's kind of this like periwinkle blue color, some that are pink, green, and then the front actually looks purple in comparison to this. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see like the nuance difference. And I also thought that this was so cute because it actually has like a little perforated ticket section. I have two sticker packs. Thump thump. This one looked kind of like very vintagey, very Lisa Frank to me. What is that? Like a drink, an ice cream cone. That one is the cutest, like a little teddy bear. I don't know what this planet says. If I like it, I like it. These are like so shiny. My potential is endless. So yeah, you guys can see they're just like a bunch of cute little designs. Oh, that one is adorable. And I cannot read what some of these twinkle. I'm like trying to read it backwards. Okay, here is the second pack. Oh my gosh, I love the cherry soda. Super Pinky-licious. What does that say? Perfectly good as always. Baby, I'm real. I have such butterfingers today. It's crazy. Pink 100%. Too cool. Fully dressed today. Then this one just says, I don't need your help. Fancy puff. Does this say rainbow therapy? And I'm not even gonna attempt to tell what that says. Just can't get enough. That's like a Depeche Mode song. My kind of thing. That looks like a pack of gum. Up next is something that I don't know if this classifies as stationery, but I'm gonna pretend like it does. And I have seen these things all over Instagram and I thought that they were so adorable. So I kind of wanted one of these just for like fashion purposes, I think, more than anything. But I love these like cutesy, funky shaped bottles. So this looks like a popsicle, and yet it is a water bottle. Now I'm trying to see if it's like twist off or what is going on here. Oh, it's like a little like juice box. Whew, you better make sure you've got that like really pressed on there. Otherwise you're gonna be wearing your water. It has a little straw here that, oh, that is so cute. It has a little strap, and that's how I was seeing it, was like kind of styled almost as like a little fashion accessory. But that's why I'm saying it better be like on well, otherwise you're gonna be carrying around your little water bottle and it's gonna spill all over ya. Up next is this little box of animal paper clips. Oh, okay, they all look like they are the same animal. I didn't remember if they were all different shapes, because I think sometimes you can buy them in a set like that, but they're kind of that like magical rainbow iridescent metal, but they are all unicorns. I feel like these would be perfect for planners because that's like as far in to the paper it goes, so the little tail would like stick out of the top. Some of you guys might like that and some of y'all might think it's messy, but I think that that's kind of good even to use as a bookmark and stuff as well, not just like a paper clip to just like, you know, that you would use a traditional paper to clip paper together. Up next, I have I'm not sure honestly if this is a mechanical pencil or if it's a pen. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this I keep seeing on a stationery website because you can buy a bunch of inks to go in these, like different colored inks. There's actually like 3 pins loaded in there. Maybe it's just because I am still testing everything on the stone paper, and I feel like sometimes like certain writing instruments write better and smoother on the stone paper, and then like some other pens and stuff just don't work that well on this paper at all because it's like the pin is pushing into the paper too hard, I guess, and this is like a very, very soft paper. It's like the paper like sinks in when you write on it. So I feel like if you have like anything other than like gel, really, it's not necessarily like the most perfect match for this stone paper. This is just like a traditional rollerball pen, not like gel ink or anything, but I thought that the Kirby was so cute. And so who knows, I might actually like look at that website again that sells the different barrels, because there might be like gel barrel options that I could load into that pen. Okay, up next, I think it's 2 things that are the same but slightly different. I think that this is 2 different window notepads. So this one is called Sugar Bear, and it's just like, I think the whole pad looks like this. Yeah, it's just to do like a little checklist, but I thought the gummy bear design was so cute. This one says meter, oh my god, they both said meter ball. Meter ball, that's the brand. And this is like a little castle design, and it's actually like really neat. I didn't notice at first, but there is like a little plastic covering on the window, so it would like protect your notepad if you're carrying it around in a bag or something, but you can still have this super cute little window design. Okay, up next is something that I've been wanting for a long time, and we'll see if this is gonna work when I'm in the midst of, I'm sure, making a bunch of New Year's resolutions. I've seen a bunch of stationery brands actually do these. They are called tracker planners, and so you literally just write down a little goal, and then it always has like 31 slots. So if there's like 31 days in the month, you can just be like, oh, I want to drink like 2 bottles of water every day, which I'm sure to some of you guys sounds like a horrendously deficient amount, but if I could drink 2 bottles of water every day for 31 days, my God, who would I be? You just basically write down what date it is and your different goals, and it's just an entire journal like that, just to track your various goals, which, I mean, you could like, you know, have little goals for anything. It's just basically to do something every single day, whether it's like journaling or something you've got to do for all 31 days. But I just thought that it was a very, very cute concept. Okay, up next, I have 2 different things of origami, which I used to do this all the time as a kid, and I haven't done it in a million years. And this just looked so interesting. So this one will make a rabbit, but it's got like a human face. I don't even know what's going on here. And this one is the same thing. There's like a bird, but like the bird's eyes would look like human eyes. I don't know. I thought it was cool. I thought it was weird. And so I got it. All right, you guys, up next, we've got a phone case. A phone case that looks like a meat cleaver. And I do not know why. I thought that this was so funny, but can you imagine? I'm just like, I almost said, can you imagine I'm out in public, which is just, can you even imagine that at this point? But, and then I'm just like, hey guys. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just talking to my meat cleaver. I just thought it was funny. You guys know I'm a sucker for like the weird and the wonderful phone cases. Up next, I've got 2 multi-purpose journals. They are both so cute. This one I think is called, wait, why does it say Naughty in a Nutshell? Night Sheep. They had a bunch of different designs. I thought that so many of the designs were very, very cute, but I limited myself to 2 of them. So yeah, this is the Naughty Night Sheep Nutshell. So it almost is like 2 notebooks in one, because this front is just like this little memo pad of sheeps, and then on the inside it's just like plain lined paper. They had a bunch of different sheep designs, but I think I just thought this one holding the little planet was the cutest. So the paper does seem like this is definitely like probably considered to most people like scratch paper. Like the paper just feels like very thin. I don't know if you'd want to use this for like archival purposes or something, is basically what I'm trying to say. Like if you're gonna do journaling or something, I don't necessarily think that the paper is like that quality, but for like scratch paper, taking notes, whatever, it is like very, very adorable. And then this one is the same design, and I don't even know what these little guys are called, but I love them. It's like where you're supposed to leave one eye, I think, not filled in, and you make a wish, and then when the wish comes true, you give him his other eye. Do you know what I'm talking about? But he's this little guy, and I thought he was so cute. I have no idea what that says. And they had a couple little designs for this guy too, but I liked where he was just standing there. Oh, wow. Okay, he's so cute. There's almost like a little mango man on this paper, but other than that, it's all the same quality, same lines, and all of that. All right, you guys, the last item is super cute. And I don't know if what I'm about to say sounds really weird, but do you ever just feel like types of plastic that almost feels like frosted? So it feels like so smooth. It's like when you hold it, it just feels somehow calming. So this is a dual-headed highlighter Marco. Who is Marco? Highlighter marker duo. And it's supposed to look like a piece of wrapped candy. And once again, there were a bunch of different color options for this product, but I chose blue. I don't know why I'm like so into the color blue lately, but I just am. I did a sample for you guys. So one side is like a standard chisel tip highlighter, and then the other side is probably the side I would use the most. and it's kind of just like a traditional Crayola marker. I feel like this is just adorable to have in le pencil bag. That is it, you guys. That is everything that I have to show you guys today. And I feel like we saw some very cute things and also some very strange things. But anyway, you guys, that is it for me today. I would love to know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I will be back. Bye!